Hello friends, myself Vipin Chandankar. Now today study about the fungi and its a classification. First is what is mean by fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic, spore-bearing, or chlorophyllous organisms which is reproduced by sexually or asexually, which is produced by sexually or asexually, and whose filamentous are branched and somatic structures are modified. Somatic structures are typically surrounded by chitin or cellulose, is called as a fungi or filamentous. First is eukaryotic. Eukaryotic means true nucleus, and those microorganisms bearing a spores, and a chlorophyllous means chlorophyll-less, असा मायक्रोऑर्गॅनिझम्स की ज्याच्यामध्ये क्लोरोफिल नसतो त्याला म्हणतो आपण अक्लोरोफिलस, and which is reproduced by sexually and asexually methods, whose filamentous branch and somatic structures are typically surrounded by or consisting by a chitin or cellulose. म्हणजे मायक्रोऑर्गॅनिझम्स ज्याची सेल वॉल ही चिटिन और सेल्युलोजची बनलेली असते असा हा फंजा मायक्रोऑर्गॅनिझम्स. These are the definitions of microorganisms, and the study of fungi is called as mycology. Study of fungi is called mycology. So, the classification of fungi or any pathogens or any fungus or any microorganisms are classified from this family. The first is fungi kingdom, then divisions, class, order, family, genus or genera, and species. म्हणजे कुठलाही मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम्स किंवा हा फंजा या प्रकारामध्ये हा डिवाइड होतो. किंगडम आहे फंजा, देन डिव्हिजन्स दॅट इज अ मिक्झोमायकोटा और यूमायकोटा, दोज बिलोंगिंग टू मायकोटा. क्लास मायसाइट्स यानी CETES, ऑर्डर ALES, फैमिली CACE, and genera it is a Peronospora or etc. and species. These types of classification of the fungus. Now the classification of fungi. So fungi is the kingdom, and the fungi are divided two subdivisions. The first is the myxomycota, and second one is eumycota. This classified on the basis of fungi. In the eumycota, these are the called as true fungi, and the Myxomycota is called as slime molds or slime fungi. In this case, the Myxomycota, the plasmodiums are present. The plasmodiums are present, and in this case, in Eumycota, the plasmodiums are absent. The Myxomycota is the division, and Eumycota is also division. Then the Eumycota is classified into a 5 class. That is a Masticomycotina, Zygomycotina, Ascomycotina, Basidiomycotina, and Deuteromycotina. These classifications is on the basis of Alexopoulos and Linz or Ainsworth 1973. The Ainsworth classified the classifications of the fungi. The first is the fungi is the kingdoms, and the fungi are divided into 2 subdivisions, that is a Myxomycota and Eumycota. So Eumycota is called as a true fungi and Myxomycota is called as a slime molds of slime fungi. In this case, the Myxomycota, the plasmodiophora are present, and Eumycota, plasmodiophora are absent. Then the Eumycota is classified into 5 subdivisions. These are the subdivisions. This is the Masticomycotina, Zygomycotina, Ascomycotina, Basidiomycota, and Deuteromycotina. These are the true fungi. So, like in now the Masticomycotina subdivisions are classified into 3 classes. Chytridiomycetes, Hypochytridiomycetes, and Oomycetes. The Oomycetes are very important class in the subdivisions Mycotina. The Oomycetes are classified into 4 orders. That is Saprolegnials, Leginidials, Leptometals, and Peronosporals. In the class Oomycetes, the peronosporal orders are very important, and the peronosporal orders are classified into 3 families. That is Pitheaceae, Peronosporaceae, and Albugoginaceae. And in this family, the Pitheaceae family is the Pythium genus, and Peronosporaceae family is Peronospora, Sclerospora, Basidiophora, and in this Peronosporaceae family, the Plasmobara viticula, that is the downy mildew of grape, and Albuginaceae family, the very important genus is Albugo. So, in the Zygomycotina or various the 5 subdivisions details describes in the next class. So, thank you.